Waiver granted. Jamaica government now says permission was given to U.S. authorities to detain 5 fishermen.
More calls for CMU president to step down.
And concerns about the PEP score system.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Gray.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Andrea Chisholm has our preview.
Well, Janella, this evening we have some good news for farmers. A special MOU was signed with CWJ Credit Union and the Rural Agriculture Development Authority, and I'll tell you more on that in the Business Day.
Thanks, Andrea. And we go to Spencer for the latest in sports.
Thank you very much, Herman. Well, the Reggae Girls are leaving the FIFA Women's World Cup at the group stage, but I tell you what, they got a consolation in their final game. We'll give you the details in Primetime Sports.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Spencer. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what's your reaction to the Reggae Girls' performance at the FIFA Women's World Cup?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.
News headlines.